Dude, is this thing even on? Come on! It is literally a perfect day. 70 degrees, sunny, clouds in the sky, blue sky. Let's figure out some exciting stuff to do. All right, I just found something sweet to do. I found this natural step-up jump we got right here. You can't really tell on the wide-angle GoPro, but it's really a harsh transition from down there to up here. It's about 4 feet in elevation from the bottom to the top. But if we hit that at speed, I think we're gonna be able to get a decent amount of air. Decent! And then land on this tabletop up here. Oh. All right, let's try it out. Went off a little bit sideways. Let's try and straighten it out this time. Oh. Not in that much control. It's all right. Let's try it a little bit slower and try to be in a little bit more control. Yeah, baby. All right, bunny hop, slow speed. Let's see it. There it is. Yeah, not as good. Yeah, I am bottoming out. That's not good. If anyone in the comments knows about shocks, can you tell me, is it bad to bottom out or is it really bad to bottom out? If so, I gotta figure out a way to fix that. One more. Holy! Guys, come on back to the next video. I swear I actually have something super epic planned. Isn't that funny? Anytime someone says something is epic, you know it's gonna suck.